Today is Thursday, October 10th. I just called Dick's Sporting Goods and they said they got a shipment of 22 long rifle in today. It is 7:47 p.m. I'm going to head over there and see what I can get. Alright, catch you back with you later.
We stayed over real close and we drove down to the lake road. Watched the sun fade in that big red sky. I reached down to the front seat and said, now here's something special. It's just been waiting for a night like tonight. There might be a little dust on the bottom, but don't let it fool you about what's in.
Alright guys, so they had 500 round boxes of CCI Quiet, 400 round boxes of American Eagle, 500 round boxes of Arms Corps, and 100 round sleeves of Winchester Super X. When I called, they said no limit, but as you guys can see, it is limited to one box per brand per customer, which I'm okay with, and I will show you the rest when I get home. Alright guys, so I just got back from Dick's. Yeah, they had a little bit of a selection today. They had 500 round boxes of CCI Quiet, 500 round boxes of Arms Corps 22 long rifle, 400 round boxes of American Eagle, and 100 round sleeves of Winchester Super X. And here's what I opted to get. Up here, got one, we got two. Okay, so up first here we got a 500 round brick of the Arms Corps 22 long rifle. Now there, it's a 36 grain high velocity hollow point. I've never actually seen this ammo before, so I opted to get it. I don't know if it's any good or not, so if you guys know, please feel free to let me know. And then I got this 400 round brick of American Eagle, which, you know, this is a 400 round brick. It's a little bit more pricey though, but my Ruger 1022 actually likes this ammo, so I didn't have any problem paying a little bit extra for that one. Alright, and the lady at the store actually had to open it because she had to scan each one of these little boxes separately. Kind of sucks, but what can you do? And for the receipt, okay, so this was from today, October 9th. I said the 10th earlier, and it was sold at 8:14 p.m. And here it is. We got $29 for the Arms Corps, and 10 boxes of the American Eagle at $249 each for a grand total of $59.01. Alright guys, so there you go. If you do your research and check frequently, these Dick's Sporting Goods do get ammunition in. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching.